My name is Emily Beaton. I'm at Fairhaven Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to plant pea shoots. This is an easy thing to do if you want fresh greens in the spring, you're craving something green. So the first step is using a tray like this. You can really use any vessel, but this is a 10 by 20 standard greenhouse flat. You're going to want to use a potting mix that's for seeds starting. It doesn't have to be high in nutrients. You're not really looking for a nutrient heavy mix at this point because the seed doesn't really need that much. And you're just going to create a layer of soil. I'm only putting about a ½ inch in the bottom of this tray. And I use a little piece of wood to get an even smoother surface. That just allows your seeds to kind of make contact with the soil at the same level, so when they grow evenly. I'm using a field pea mix. You can also use microgreen pea shoots, seeds, and you're looking for a very dense seeding. Okay, and then I'm just sprinkling the soil on top. And you're just going to put on enough to cover the seed about the same depth as one of the seeds. You want to give them a fairly good soaking because you're not going to uncover this until they're emerging. Time to put them into a dark place with plenty of airflow. You don't want it to be too moist like a basement or anything. Cover it with a tray, leave it for probably 2 days, and then the seeds are going to start to emerge. And then you can take it out and put it in the sunlight. And your microgreens will be ready to harvest in about 10 to 12 days. You could even grow them in the winter.